So hi everybody, it's Mario from Food Forest Abundance of Charleston, South Carolina, and I just wanted to come on out here. I just took a trip to Ohio and came up to see my fourth grandbaby. It was being born, and I wanted to show you guys something. Now remember, we had some erectititis down. I did a video before about that and how wonderful that weed that grows in my backyard and probably yours can also be found in other areas. Now, this is a spiny sow thistle. Okay, so basically what it is in the same family as the dandelion. So if you notice up top, you see the petals. Now this one, different from the erectititis, this one will actually, or better yet named the American burnweed, is the one that was down in South Carolina in my yard. But this one is the spiny sow thistle. So you see the spines on here? See the leaves? So basically what you have to do with these is once you blanch these, it actually cooks down those spines that are on there, and it makes them soft so that they're pliable, so that they actually work, and you can actually work with these leaves. But this is actually in my son's backyard. I just happened to walk out here, and he's trying to grow the yard so that he can get some more ground cover. He just purchased the house not too long ago, and they went through the winter, and now here we are midsummer, and he still just doesn't have enough ground cover to take care of starting to grow grass in good soil. So what he's doing, he's leaving the weeds grow, and he's allowing them to grow, but he's not sure what he should do with all these weeds. But there are so many different types of weeds out here that we can actually use for medications. This does the same thing as the American burnweed. The American burnweed, again, got its name from when farmers would burn down their crops when they were done, and that is the first thing that actually pops up, is the American burnweed. Now it's been used in so many different applications. It's got healing properties such as anti-inflammatories. It's a diuretic. It helps with PMS. It helps with any type of swelling on the outside of the body. You can use the leaves for cuts, burns, of those sorts. Now the key is learning how to take these things and extract them out. Now this particular one over here, the one that I just showed you in my son's backyard, that one, it has the spiny pokies, and you got to take those and get those cooked down before you use it, because if not, it gets all over your fingers and it really hurts. Now this particular plant, you can use every single piece of that plant. You can use the roots. You can actually take the leaves, you can cook the leaves down and then use them in salads. You can eat this plant completely just like it is. You just got to get those spines off of it. I wouldn't recommend it, but you're going to get those spines in your tongue if you eat those. So cook down those leaves and get those spines off of it. But there are so many different benefits to the plants that are in our backyards already growing. And for so many years, we have spent so much money to get rid of them, not realizing how much we could actually use those products for ourselves instead of going to the pharmacy, instead of going down to the grocery, the pharmacy downtown and spending hundreds and thousands of dollars and sometimes tens of thousands of dollars for some of these plants that we can actually bring and help epilepsy. That's one of the benefits of that weed that grows for free in your own backyard. It lowers cholesterol. It can help with certain cancers and ease certain ailments that you have. So guys, remember, every single day, go outside and see what you have growing out there. Take a picture of it. If you don't know the answer, give us a holler at Food Forest Abundance. Contact us on our YouTube page. Contact us right here on our YouTube page, Food Forest Abundance of Charleston. All right. You can also see us on Facebook, and that's Food Forest Abundance of Charleston on Facebook. Give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell. You hit that little bell, and every time I put a video out, you'll be notified about it. It's pretty cool. So about every week I'm going to try and do a different plant and let you know the benefits that we have totally forgotten about as American citizens and as human beings on this planet, that we're put on this planet along with all these beautiful herbs, spices, plants, things we can eat, things that can sustain our own lives. All right, guys, remember, every morning, tell yourselves, I'm going to take on the day. And then go do it. Ciao.